Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Amelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. I'm excited because I got a new camera and I want to unbox it on camera to show you guys what I got and just compare the quality and things like that. So I'm really excited. I've had this Sony A50-100. I've had it for 3 years now, actually. So going on 3 years. So it was about that time. Picked this up from Best Buy, and it is, of course, if you can tell by the title, the Canon M50. This is the Mark I version, so not the Mark II, Mark I, because I heard they were similar and that there wasn't that much of a difference. So I decided just to pick up this one, and the Mark II was sold out everywhere, basically. And I've been waiting to open it on camera. I've actually had it for a while, but I was like, I'm gonna wait to share it with my viewers. Never had a Canon before, so I have no idea like how this works, but paperwork, the manual, which is thick, which I should probably read, registration for it. Oh. Okay, we have a Canon strap, official. This is the lens. Look at that, it's so small. It's so cute. So here's the lens. This is, let me not butcher this for you guys. This is the 15 to 45 millimeter lens. There you go. Image stabilizer, that's good. So image stabilizer, correct me if I'm wrong, is what helps like the camera not shake when I move it around, vlogging and all that. Like in my cabin vlog, I was shaking all up and down, so annoying. So that's clutch. Battery, I think. Also comes with a battery charger. Ta-ta! The Canon M50, y'all. It has this little pull-out screen, which you already know I needed. So, let's not get fingerprints on that yet. So this is not heavy. Well, I don't have the lens on it yet, but it's not heavy so far. So this is how big it is. Like, this is it in my hand. So not bad at all. I learned this from Content Bug, if you guys know who that is. But the white dot on here needs to match the white dot right there, and then that's how you like. That's not big at all. This is actually very small. Look at that, guys. Perfect. Also grabbed a mic, because the difference between my Sony and this camera is I can attach a mic to get better quality sound. So what you're hearing now is my old sound, because I'm gonna have new sound now. I get new sound, and there's tons of lenses I can put on there. You can switch out the lens on this too, but there's better quality lenses that fit on that camera. So this is a Rode mic. This is the small one, the compact on camera micro one. So that's what I decided to get. I'll link that below. I got this on Amazon because they didn't have it at my Best Buy. But you can get it at Best Buy too, of course. Here it is. It has the little muffler on it, so like wind and all that won't disrupt the sound. You can take it out. There it is. I figured out the mic. Well, sort of. So there's a mic input on this side of the camera, and then you can put it on top of the camera like so. You just tighten it on like so. Okay, so basically this is the general gist of it. I don't think I need the muffler on it right now because it's not windy. I'm gonna take that off, but basically this is what we're working with. Okay, so let's put the battery in and see how she does. This is dope. Oh my god, the autofocus though. The issue I'm having is like the mic thingy blocks me from turning this, so phenomenal. Hey guys, so here we are. This is the Sony A50-100. This is my Canon M50, and I can already tell that this Canon is going to be showing every nook and cranny on my face. This is the Sony. So I still want to mess with my Canon M50's like settings so I don't look so orange, because I feel like I'm coming off orange. Yeah, I'm coming off a little orange on this one. And the lenses are different also. So this is like a 15. This is Canon is a 15 45mm, and this is 2.25. I don't remember what's on the Sony, but so here I am. And this is the audio for the Sony, and this is the audio for the Canon M50. So hopefully the Canon is stronger because I bought a mic. That mic better work. So I can already tell from here that the image is sharper, but I won't be able to tell until editing. And also my shirt showing up different colors. Honestly, the Sony looks more what the color is than the Canon. But I'm definitely gonna mess with the settings some more. This is just an unboxing. I hope both of these are recording. Let me tinker with the Canon real quick. Okay, I think I figured it out to make me look not as orange. Oh yeah, this is much better because it's gathering the light from my white lights. So let's look at some autofocus features. So this is the Sony. Okay, and this is my Canon. Am I holding it too close? So the Canon is a little more sensitive. Maybe because I know how to hold it for the Sony. Oh, look at that. That is crispy, y'all. I feel like the images are sharper and more lifelike. Comment down below if you guys like tech videos like these. I always try to upgrade my stuff. Well, not always, but I try to upgrade my stuff and learn new things. So let me know down below if you guys like tech things like this. But I just wanted to try it out and do a little unboxing, you know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a like if this helped you out. And comment down below if you are in the market for a new camera and if the Canon M50 is like on your list. Let me know. And also comment down below if you have this camera and you have some tips. I can take it all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.